there's never usually a rejection. I would say in my career, I've only had like 2. Okay, and this was the second one. Hey there, my name is John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. I appreciate you tuning in today. We're gonna be talking about an annuity replacement that I just took care of for someone last week. He had a surrender charge, but the new annuity replacement is going to cover the full charge. So he's good there, and the only reason he's doing it is because he wants more guaranteed lifetime income. And this new annuity is actually gonna give him $15,000 more in income every single year. Here's the thing, this was not as smooth as we were hoping it would be. Usually it is, but we actually were submitting this with a company called Athene, and Athene is phenomenal. I love working with them, but they would not accept it. They actually had a higher requirement for liquid assets. We were right under where we needed to be, and they rejected the application. So we went with another company, American Equity. They also were given the same 10% premium bonus, so he was still made whole. And the income is slightly less, not much. It's very, very close to what he's getting with Athene, and they actually accepted it. So there's a little secret for you. If you don't have as much in liquid as these insurance companies are requiring of you, American Equity does look at these at a case-by-case basis, and a lot of times they will approve these, especially if your income to expense ratio is very healthy, like this couple's, where they just have excellent income compared to expenses. So a lot of disposable income, and they still had a lot of savings, but it just wasn't quite enough for Athene to feel comfortable. But for American Equity, it was perfect. Anyways, we got it done. I mean, we were able to get them approved with the second contract in like 2 days after the first one was rejected. So there's never usually a rejection. I would say in my career, I've only had like 2. Okay, and this was the second one. So most of the time, we do not get a rejection. Every once in a while there is. So and we take care of it. So replacements are happening right now because rates are very high. And when rates are high, people are taking advantage of it. And when you have old annuities that are designed for income and you see something that gives you a whole lot more income, it makes sense sometimes to consider a replacement. Not all the time. I mean, I generally don't like replacements because I don't like people to lose money. I don't want them to have surrender charges. I don't want them to deal with that. But if someone can get an extra $15,000, $20,000 or more per year in income, then usually a replacement is in their best interest. So if you want to look on my website, johnstevenson.com, and you want to see what the payouts are right now, and you want to look at the annuity calculators, go to the income rider, and that'll show you all the high payouts. It won't tell you whether it's an income bonus or not, so we'll have to get on a call for that if you want to look at those, because really for surrendering and replacing, usually you have to have some sort of premium bonus, not income bonus, premium bonus. So anyways, wanted to talk about that because that is happening every day. And you might be thinking about replacing your annuity, or maybe you're just looking for the best annuities out there. And if you are, you should go to my website and check out those calculators. So again, it's johnstevenson.com, and you'll be able to see everything that's available. And then at that point, if you want to book a call, there's a link on my website, or you can book a call right below here, below this video. So happy to answer your questions. Happy to sell you an annuity if that's what you're looking for. I'm not going to hard pressure you, but I will show you everything that's available. So hope that is helpful. I hope that you found value in this video. If you have, like, subscribe, share, you know the drill. I appreciate you watching, I really do. And I hope you enjoyed this view. This is Lake Tahoe, and we are on the south end of the lake. So, and it is a lot warmer this week than it was last week. So anyways, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.